So this is a must-have accessory for the FESTOOL Domino. Let me show you what I mean. First, if you're doing a lot of mortises, you'll need a safe place to put it down. I've always just rested it on the workbench. However, it's connected to a cord and my dust collector, so it's essential to be super careful when I put it down. You see, the hose for my dust collector is flexible and mounted to an arm. It has a tendency to pull back on the tool if you're not careful. You can easily pull the domino off the bench and onto the floor. This has happened to me more than once. I was desperate for a solution, so I made this. I call it the Pro Mount. This accessory solves three important problems. First, the electric cord issue. Now, I've seen guys on YouTube that have made wood mounting docks, but I think they're just a little too bulky and they don't hold it quite tight enough. But my biggest issue with the wood ones is that you have to disconnect the electric to install it. The Pro Mount is designed specifically for the DF500 domino. It is contoured to the exact shape of the tool, and the best part is that it can be slipped into position without removing the electric, so it's perfect for my workflow. All I do is clamp it to my bench and put it down between each set of mortises I'm working on. I no longer have to worry that it's going to slide off the bench. It grabs it nice and tight. It has indents perfectly aligned, so it's held nice and square to the workbench. But even if you're rushing and you don't line it up perfectly, it still holds incredibly tight. As you see here, I'm working on a built-in. I'm mortising the edges of every shelf. I have to put the domino down after each edge, flip the shelf around, mortise again, then repeat the process for each shelf. The mount doesn't interfere with my dust collection or the electric, so I can just slide it in and out as I go. The beauty of this design is how well it holds the domino. Watch what happens when I slip it into position and it lines up perfectly. It locks into place. Now it won't twist left or right, which is really important if you plan to use the Pro Mount as a docking station, which I'll explain in a moment. I keep two Pro Mounts in my shop. One is used to temporarily clamp next to the spot where I'm working, and the other is used to store the domino when not in use. I know a lot of people like to use their sustainers, but for me, I like having my tools ready to go and in plain sight. It's just my personal preference. I just use this tool a lot, so I like to have the option to clamp it to the bench or keep it ready to go off to the side. You can attach the Pro Mount to just about anywhere. It comes with a set of washers to make sure it's held securely. Make sure to use either washers or washer head screws to prevent damage to the Pro Mount. You don't want to use countersink screws like drywall screws unless you're using it alongside washers. For my setup, I wanted to mount it to the wall that I have above one of my workbenches. I just ripped a 2-inch piece of a standard 2x4, screwed it to the wall, and installed the Pro Mount. You can definitely make something that looks nicer than this, but for me, in my shop, it's all about functionality and not aesthetics. I save the aesthetics for the actual project that I'm working on. So this is where I store my domino every day. Locks in place, not going anywhere. I feel like it's nice and secure. I take the electric off so it doesn't interfere with anything that's being stored underneath it, but it's ready to go, slips right out for my next project. The other use for the Pro Mount is to set it up as a docking station. This is especially useful for smaller pieces. It can be difficult to clamp and perfectly line up the domino to smaller pieces, so sometimes it's better to bring the piece to the domino. The Pro Mount is perfect for that. It's super solid, so you'll be confident that it won't move during use. Just make sure you understand how to properly use the domino before trying this method. You want to make sure your fingers don't get too close to the drill bit as you plunge the domino, so make sure your settings are properly set and you know exactly how to use it. I know some of you may be skeptical because it's made from plastic. Oh, that's going to break. Let me show you why it's not. This thing is solid. I mean, literally, it's 100% solid. This is not hollow plastic. Let me show you. Hopefully that comes out on the camera. You can see completely solid all the way through. So this thing is not going to break. I have tried. You can be confident that the thing is going to hold up over time. You don't have to worry. So if you're serious about using the domino and you want to protect your investment, I suggest you check out the Pro Mount. Currently, it is sold exclusively through Amazon. They are sold individually. It includes washers for a nice tight connection. Just make sure to use screws that are appropriate for whatever you're mounting it to. I'll leave a link in the description if you feel like checking it out. Also, make sure to check out our website, prohomeproducts.com, where you can see all of the tools and products we make, as well as a bunch of recommendations for tools from other companies that I personally recommend and use every day as a carpenter of more than 15 years. If you like this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to see future products like this. Thanks again, and hopefully I'll see you on the next one.